Hello, welcome to engineering. My name is Mr. Morgan and I'm Director of Faculty. Today I'm going to be discussing the OCR Cambridge National Level 2s. This course is broken down into two different sections. We have our coursework based, which will be broken down into 2 units, and they will both be internally set and assessed and moderated. We then have an external unit, which is our written exam, and that will comprise of multiple choice and long answer questions. The exam takes up 40% of the course. The qualification is graded as either pass, merit or distinction star, and as you can see on the screen, there is showing the alternatives for each of those grades as a GCSE typical level. There is an option to resit the exam, which we will sit in January, and if things go well, there's no need to sit it in June, but we have that option available to students. Okay, so on this slide we'll be looking at the different types of units that we will be studying during this OCR course. First unit, the Principles of Engineering, will be the examining unit. The Manufacturing of One-Off Product will be an internally set unit, and the Manufacturing Quantity will be also an internal set unit. Both the internal set units will be based on assignments and will be internally marked and moderated. On this slide we'll be looking at the assessment. So we're going to start with the Principles of Engineering Manufacture, the exam unit. This is set by OCR and marked by OCR. They will have 2 attempts at this exam, and the one with the most marks will be taken forward. The exam is around about 1 hour 15 minutes long, plus extra time for those who require it. It's marked out at 70 marks, and this exam will feature all the principles behind the manufacturing, such as the tooling, various manufacturing processes, various materials, quality control. A wide range of spectrum is covered in this area. The R105 unit, the Manufacturing of One-Off Products, this is our practical unit where we will be looking at the theory of the manufacturing processes. We can be looking at how we go about manufacturing, planning how to manufacture, risk assessments regarding the manufacture. So a lot of heavy-handed theory side of it first before we actually get on to actually making the product. The product shouldn't take too long to make, and it's only a small element of the actual unit itself. The unit is marked out at 60, and all the marks from all the units, it goes into a tracker which the students can see throughout the entire year and can keep track of their current progress live as we go through each lesson. The marks are made out of 60, the marks are out at 60, and I'll come to how we grade that a little bit later on. The R106 Manufacturing Quantity is another practical unit, but again, it's very heavy theory based to it as well. This is where we look at how we go about manufacturing mass production, look at all the different types of scales of production, and how we use CNC equipment and a lot of theory behind the CNC equipment. The actual practical element to it is relatively small, and we usually make things rather quickly because it's all CNC based. Again, it's marked out as 60, and again gets inputted into the tracker. Now, with regards to the grades, a 36 is a pass mark, 42 is a merit, and 48 is distinction. A 54 was a distinction star, which is the highest grade you can get, which is equivalent to a level 9. We're going to look at the post-16 links and career opportunities next. And with this, once you've studied our Cambridge Level 2 course in engineering, we can then progress onto a Level 3 BTEC engineering course or a Level 3 Cambridge National level course as well. We could also study a variety of A-levels preceding this course. The advantage of studying these courses is that it gives you a good step into the world of engineering. And when we get into the Level 3 courses, you'd have some basic background knowledge that will help you with those courses. The BTEC Level 3 is quite an in-depth course and has a wide range of units available into that as well. And some of the stuff that we cover on the Cambridge National can be used or can lead towards further grounding in that Level 3 course. By studying a range of engineering, it opens a wide range of opportunities for you. Whether it be an apprenticeship you can leave out straight from the Level 2 and go get an apprenticeship, or continue on to Level 3 and then get an apprenticeship after that. Is entirely up to you. But by studying these courses, you can have a wide range of opportunities within that, ranging from mechanical engineer to mechanic to civil engineer to architects, a machinist, CNC machinist, F1 engineer, armed forces. There's a wide range of available opportunities for there. There's also a wide range of websites available. The .gov websites for apprenticeships is also a good one to go to see what's out there that will help you guide you into your correct career path. Looking at additional information, one of the key things and aspects of the course is deadlines, and we expect all students to meet their deadlines. The reason we have these deadlines is because it falls in with data drops that we have, or falls in with any external moderation that we need to send work off for. So by having these key deadlines, it also means that work is then assessed correctly in the right manner. Nothing is rushed. We can have a two-way conversation, and the work can be assessed and marked and passed on to the correct authorities in the right timely manner. With this course, it's not all about practical elements. Those practical elements are there to reinforce the theory of manufacturing and all the manufacturing process along with that. It's not all about practical and making that we had in Key Stage 3. So students need to be aware of that before they sign up to the course. That is not all about making, and it is a lot of theory, a lot of manufacturing and theory of manufacturing behind it. All work will be submitted via Teams and will need to be assessed in Teams and be tracked and traced in Teams as well. By studying this course, we can obviously progress on to level 3 engineering apprenticeships or level 3 apprenticeships, and we happily advise people and help people with their applications and degree and processing further. We will also work with the careers advisors and the careers advisor team to make sure that the courses available are suitable for that student, and we'll happily advise you on those avenues as well.